What is up, YouTube? As you guys can see, we're starting the video off in my room. And you guys can see, got some breach out. Today, we're finally getting my TE37s powder coated, man. Stay tuned. Let me get to my garage and load them up, and I'll show you guys what's going on. As you guys can see, fresh meat, if you guys didn't know. We're not going to talk about those. We'll talk about those when I get them installed. Here they are. If you guys never seen these, I had them on the back burner. I had these previously on my old 350Z and I kept them. Put the car back on stock wheels and sold the car. And I kept them for a moment like this. Never expecting I was going to get a Nismo. Always thought I was just going to get a regular HR, normal base model or whatever. But your boy got a Nismo, so we got to throw the TEs on. These are OG TE37 Time Attack Edition. They're the 2008 versions, not the newer brands. The 2008 they came out, and they're 19 by 9.5, 19 by 10.5. Black face, black barrel with red lip. These ones had red lip too, but they kind of got curb rashed. So your boy's gonna be redoing them in a different color. As much as they are worth the money in the black and red, it's just they're so damaged up that I'm just gonna do a new color. And plus, black and red on the Nismo wouldn't really look too good since my car is black already. So your boy picked a different color and we're gonna be powder coating them today. Let me get them into the Nismo. Lord knows how I'm gonna fit them, but I'm gonna figure it out. And let's get to the powder coat guy and drop them off, man. Let me show you guys a close-up though. They did have the stickers on them, but I took them off. And as you guys can see in there, you know, 19 by 10.5. I don't know if you can see that. And then I think this one right here, 19 by 9.5. Look, 19 by 9.5 right there. Plus 22 offset all around. 19 by 10.5. Feel me? This is people's dream wheels. And I'm happy that, you know, I was able to get these on my other car. I couldn't sell my other car with these on, no matter how bad they were. They were previously, like as you can see right here, they were previously plastic dipped by the fucking last owner. Lord knows why he would plastic dip TEs. I guess it's because he curb rashed the red and he didn't like how it looked, so he plastic dipped the whole thing black. I washed those two wheels off, but these two I didn't get to do. I didn't have time. Plus, when you go to the powder coat people, pretty much they drop it in a bucket of acid and strip the whole wheel, sandblast it, and then powder coat them. So yeah, let me get them loaded up into the car right now, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, as you guys can see, we got them in. Got one right there, one right here. Oh my God, my poor Nismo seats. We gotta do what we gotta do, man. My mom gotta go somewhere, so I can't really use her car. So fuck it. They fit. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get to the guy's house right now, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Well, your boy is back home, as you can see. I didn't really record nothing because homie was with his girl. So, you know, I just wanted to drop them off quickly and let him go back to having this day off from work. So yeah, I dropped them off. We talked. We got the color set. And we're going to be doing it. It should be done in about a week, he said. Just because he has another pair of wheels that he's going to do. He said if it finishes earlier, I can go and pick them up. He stays like 10 minutes away, so I pretty much got plugged in with him. The best deal you can get, a 10-minute drive, and you got a powder coat guy right in the area, man. So yeah, after we get the wheels, man, we're gonna be throwing these meaty boys on. I have some used in the back, but I decided I'll just keep those as spares. I'm gonna just run these for now. I just got a deal on these. We're gonna be running these Achilles ATR Sport 2s on the front. They're 255, 35, 19, 96 width, extra large meat, you know. Them ladies love the extra large meat. And we got for the rears, we got some, I mean, pretty grippy for an NA setup. Firehawk Indy 500s, the Firestones, and 275, 35, 19. Extra large meat for the ladies, 100 width. So yeah, man, I'm gonna put these on, see how much they fill up this gap on the car right now. And if it doesn't fill up as much as I want it to, then the next step is gonna be changing the Nismo suspension. If you guys didn't know, Nismo comes with its own stiff suspension for the track. And we're gonna be throwing on some coilovers to get the fitment dialed in. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna do its justice. I don't want the car to be too low because I'm not trying to really scrape up the kit, if you know what I mean.
You don't see any of it. Let me see if I can turn on the flashlight. No, I can't. You don't see, there ain't no curve rash on them, bro. None. I fixed all 4 of them. They came out real nice. Look at them. You don't see anything, man.
Let's see.
It's just like, you know, I try to push them on you like, yo,
Nah,
this
facts.
Like,
yeah, I guess I didn't get. Oh.
See the difference?
Wait, these are it?
Yeah, that's with the Casper Clear.
Oh,
the other one is with the shine.
Nah, these are actually good.
All right.
Hold on. Let me.
This is crazy, don't it?
Hold on. No, they look. Wait. Oh yeah, no, this is perfect. This is perfect. No.
See, and then look at this.
In the picture, it looked.
Look at this. I know. I told you, it's crazy.
Nah, that's too shiny. This
See?
is.
It's either or, either shiny or not.
See, the thing was, I'm looking in the picture. I'm like, why do they
Why
look so gray? I'm like,
that one is done. You can take it with you, dude.
oh, this one?
Yeah, man. I just gotta take this off though. I don't gotta wrench here.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, because there's 3 I gotta carry only. I'm not gonna miss on the shot. It's gonna be the same.
Nah, this is perfect. This is perfect.
Take that out so you can take it with you.
Yeah. Now I'm looking at them. I'm like, yo, why they look so bright? They don't even look bronze no more. And then, so guys, this is without the Casper Clear, and this is with the Casper Clear, man. These are fucking perfect. I thought they looked gray. I'll post a picture right here on how it looked when he showed me them, and I was kind of scared. But, nah, these are perfect. Holy shit. Nah, this is perfect. This is actually perfect. Yeah, see? Not really a fan of that flake, and they're way brighter. I'd rather them like this, man. If you guys are in the area, M&A powder coating, man, Central Florida, get at my mans. He did an amazing job. So here we have it, boys. Your boy got one wheel because he's doing the rest, but until then, your boy picked OG bronze to do the OG TE37s, man. You can't go wrong with the bronze. It's my favorite color on TEs, man. I just had to do it. Stay tuned. I got the stickers coming in, and I got the ones with all the specs for the barrel. You knew your boy was gonna do the OG bronze for the OG TE37s, man. Come on. Sheesh. My powder coater snapped. Look for the valve stem, which is going to be this hole right here. In the middle, and pretty much put them as even. So yeah, the next thing we're going to be doing is barrel. Like I said, let me explain real quick. To put these stickers on, it's kind of dark in my garage. You go from the valve stem straight up, left spoke, right spoke. Anyways, there you have it, boys. You got the spec sticker, the Java sticker, and the JWL plus R. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The TEs are ready. Got the stickers on the faces. We got the, let me show you. Drag that shit. Got the sticker on the barrel.
Remember I was dead broke, I had to find a way. Watch if he's playing catch up, it was barely time to wait. It's hard to accept the love when you surrounded by the hate. Disrespecting my mother, I ain't had nowhere to stay. So I went and got my hustle on. Before I go make sure my money long. Somehow I made it through.